welcome back to my channel Punjabi Girl Vlogs. I hope you are all fine, doing well, staying safe. My name is Harleen. This is a typical introduction that I always do. My name is Harleen and I go to University of Waterloo here in Canada, and it's my 4th year going on right now. In this video I'm going to be talking about the things that you can do while you're waiting for visa. It will be really helpful to everyone who is planning to come to Canada either this year or next year. And if you have time right now that you are not studying or doing anything, you have to do these things before you come to Canada. सब लिए बहुत beneficial होएगा. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, you really need to put your hands on some technical skills, which could be either learning SQL, Excel, Python, Java. This is helpful to everyone. Like since honda ki हैगा कि सारे technology वाल जा रहे हैं, right? Like technology वाल बहुत jobs हैगे. There's so many jobs in technology. Either you are studying biology or you are studying maths or doing computer science, engineering. You really need these technical skills, because what I have realized कि आजकल दियाँ companies, they are looking for somebody who is not only good in soft skills, but they are good in technical skills a lot. Some of the things that you can learn is SQL. SQL is really easy. Learn SQL, get really advanced in Excel, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. Learn Python if you are interested in coding, but definitely learn Excel and learn SQL. These are really important these days. There are some online free resources, such as you can learn it from Udemy, you can learn it from LinkedIn Learning. I will also be adding I will add the link down in the description below. You can check the links and use your time wisely. Learn these skills, because you will be making lots of presentations when you come here. There are so many assignments that are related to presentations. You'll be doing some coding if you're interested in more into tech. So this is one thing that you can do while you're waiting for your visa. Number 2 is prepare your resume, because it takes time. Better ਇਹ ਆ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਬਹਿ ਕੇ ਹੀ ਆਪਣਾ resume ਬਣਾ ਲਓ, instead of coming here and then wasting your time here making a resume, because you can utilize your time somewhere else when you are here in Canada. You can just start applying right away, either for part-time jobs or full-time jobs. So prepare your resume. There's so many videos online, so many information available. I've also made a video for resume for part-time jobs. I'll add it in the edit here. You can just click the link and check my resume video. Prepare your resume beforehand before coming to Canada. Another thing that you can do is work on your hobby. Either it is your painting, either it is painting, dancing, whatever your hobby is, work on that. Because Canada aa jane ho, your life gets really hectic. You really don't get time to work on your hobbies. To be very honest, tanu jo tusi karna chahne, you might not get time because life will get so busy. Work on your hobby. You might ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ realize ਹੋਵੇ ਕਿ ਪਤਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ hobby differently use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. Maybe you are interested in web designing, that's your hobby. You can even earn from it. You can start doing it professionally. So work on your hobbies, because you won't get time when you are here. You won't get much time, I mean. 4th thing that I would suggest is learn cooking. I'm saying it again, learn cooking. Either you are a girl or a boy. I know like girls usually learn cooking, but you really need to work on cooking skills, क्योंकि ਇੱਥੇ आ के ਤੁਸੀਂ obviously you cannot eat outside every single day. You have to cook on your own, and Indian cooking takes time, needs practice. ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਰੋਟੀ ਬਣਾਉਣੀ ਆ, ਸਬਜ਼ੀ ਬਣਾਉਣੀ ਆ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ practice ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਆ, right? So learn cooking. I was thankful ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਮੰਮਾ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ starting ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਕਿ ਤੂੰ ਜੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕੁਕਿੰਗ ਸਿੱਖਣੀ ਪਏਗੀ. ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ I learned it while I was in India. Now I'm thankful ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਸੀ cooking. I can cook for myself, right? Definitely learn cooking. 4th or 5th, yeah. next tip is especially for girls. If you are planning to come to Canada, you really need to learn some beautician skills. Maybe you're interested in makeup, maybe you're interested in other beautician skills. Like I was interested, मैं शुरू तो ही interested ਸੀਗੀ waxing, threading, you know, whatever ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਇੱਥੇ it's expensive. Like Indian beauty services are really expensive. ਤੇ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਆਂਦੀ ਹੈ, if you know how to do it on your own, you will save lots of money. So learn some professional makeup skills maybe, because I remember here I know girls spend so much money on getting their eyebrows done, getting their waxing done, because we brown girls definitely have a lot of hair. So we need to it's better to learn on your own rather than किसी पे dependent रहना. So another tip that I want to give you is start working on your interviews, because you will either today or tomorrow or later in your career you will interviews. You have to give lots of interviews. Prepare for interviews. There are so many videos and so much information out there. Prepare for interviews, because interviews da ki हैगा कि जिन्नी तुसी practice करोगे, the more you practice the better you will get in it. Learn some basic questions, how you can maybe tell us about yourself, what experiences you have. Just be confident. Start preparing for your interview. Start learning cooking. Start learning some technical skills. Start working on your hobbies. Learn some skills. Let me tell you, skills ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ value ਹੈਗੀ ਆ. ਜਿੱਦਾਂ for boys, I would say start learning some mechanical skills, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ it's really expensive. Mechanical skills ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਤੋਂ mechanic ਕੋਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਾਰ ਠੀਕ ਕਰਵਾਉਣ, ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜਾਣੇ ਹੋ, ਕੋਈ skilled jobs ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ value ਹੈਗੀ ਆ. So start learning that if you have time. I mean, there are so many things to do. Go to udemy.com, go to LinkedIn Learning. There's so many things to learn out there. Do not waste your time. I wish somebody told me this before. मैं भी इंडिया ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੀ. I really wasted 3-4 months because I finished my exams and then I came in September. I wasted 3 to 4 months. But if you are there, if you are in India, ਤੁਸੀਂ 1-2 ਸਾਲ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ, right? ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ if you are studying online, start learning something. Use your time wisely. You won't be sorry later. ਮੰਮੀ ਦੇ ਹੱਥ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਰੋਟੀਆਂ ਖਾਓ, ਖੁਦ ਵੀ ਬਣਾਓ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਖਵਾਓ. That's all you can do. Use your time wisely, I would say. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you hit the like button. I will be back with more such videos. Bye.